Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to ping in Apex Legends so you can communicate with your team without using voice chat. To start, look at something you want to mark, like an enemy, location, loot, or direction, then press the ping button. On PC, the default key is middle mouse button. On console, press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox. If you just tap the ping button,
Let's hunt over here.
you'll place a basic ping showing a location or item. This is great for marking loot,
Light ammo here.
enemies,
Enemy right here.
or where you want to go.
Go there now.
If you hold the ping button, you'll open the ping wheel. From here, you can select options like enemy here,
We're not the first ones who've been here.
defending here,
Defend here. Don't mess it up.
or going here.
Gonna loot around here. New weapons. New ways to kill.
You can also ping items in your inventory
I need some shields.
to let your teammates know you need ammo, health, or attachments. Your legend will automatically voice the request. Pinging is fast, easy, and extremely useful, especially when playing with random teammates. And that is how you ping in Apex Legends.